Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let's talk about how to convert an estimate to an invoice in Wave. Converting an estimate to an invoice is seamless in Wave, and it ensures that you don't need to re-enter all the details again. Here's how to do it. First, you gotta go to your estimates section under the sales tab. Then you're gonna find the estimate that you want to convert and open it by clicking on it. And then once you're viewing the estimate, you'll notice an option at the top of the page that says convert to invoice. Clicking this button and Wave will automatically convert all the details from the estimate into an invoice, including the customer information, items, and pricing. Review the invoice and make any final adjustments. For instance, you can set payment terms or make any necessary changes to the invoice before sending it. Once ready, just click save and then send to the email invoice to your clients. This feature saves you time and helps you seamless your billing process by converting estimates into invoice effortlessly. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and I'll see you in the next one.